Alright, I'm in my new car. I'm not showing you guys what it is yet exactly, but just showed up to the autocross for today. As you can see, I'm trying to kind of disguise myself from my buddies. They don't actually know that I've bought this car yet. And so I went for Chevy douche look. Yeah, we'll see how it goes, but I've got the tires from the 300 swapped over onto this Corvette. Oh shit. Onto this car. And yeah, we'll see how it goes. See if we get some good grip and see if we can mess with Ryan and Kyle today. They'll be the only ones here. So going up against the old Z31 platform today and see if I can trick those guys. So let's see how it goes.
Now.
Yeah.
Drive. Drive right now.
Yeah.
Drive.
So here it is, the new to the Troll Patrol 1993 C4 Corvette, the LT1. In polo green. Picked this up just a few weeks ago. I'm loving the color. Picked it up with 105,000 miles. It had the original wheels on it. As you can see, I've now got Flow 1 wheels on it. I actually had to go to tire rack, and what I had to do for that is actually size wheels for a C5 Z06. And these are the rear wheels that they would sell, because if you've ever used anything with tire rack, they only do specific fitment to a model car. And these are the rear wheels, so they're 18-inch by 10.5 with a 54mm offset. That's the only thing I've done to it so far. Much cleaner than the old Mismatch Z31. Go around here. As you can see, the interior is very nice condition for its age. Pop the hood. Ooh. Look at that. gotta say, this is one of the engine bays I love the most, simply because you can open up the hood and you get to see all the suspension right up front. Right now the tires on it are 295s. These are just the old tires that I had on the 300ZX. Biggest reason I went with this over a C5, which is one of the things I was heavily considering, was simply the price. I got this thing for a steal in comparison, probably about half the price or more than what a good C5, base C5 would have cost you. And you know, a base C5 would have had more power, but from a suspension standpoint, this thing is pretty much leaps and bounds above what I had in the Z31, and it's still a very competent style of suspension when it comes to geometry. And as you saw, it wasn't too shabby for the first autocross. But yeah, that's the new Corvette. Other than wheels, the previous owner did put dual or double capacity, I guess, do-it radiator in it. They also had the cutout air box, or lid, but that's all there is to it really. Otherwise it's completely stock. Don't necessarily have any plans for it right now, just trying to feel it out, see how I like it. But after Sunday's autocross, I gotta say I was pretty happy with it. So more to come. We'll definitely probably be doing some comparison videos between Tyler's 86 Corvette when he's got that back up and running and this, especially since that'll have a 6-speed in it as well now when he does get it back up and running. So, but for now, keep the shiny side up.